shiny side up, the saying goes. But for those familiar with Alfas, it's the underside of this one that really shines in terms of condition. The floor pans are clearly original and unmolested. The boxed rails on either side of the transmission are oftenly damaged when used improperly as a jack point. These are intact. The center muffler was replaced in 2017, and the drive shaft was redone in 2013 with new U-joints at 70,500 miles. It's running Coney shocks front and rear, and the I-box springs were added in 2019. The front crossmember shows no jacking damage or ground strikes. Original paint is visible above the rear end, and the Bosch fuel pump was replaced in 2017. There are a couple of areas in the front wheel wells you definitely want to check out. Look for cracks in front of the upper suspension arm slot and for deforming or corrosion damage at the front sway bar mounts. Both areas here pass with flying colors. Also, all of the jack points are in fantastic shape. The front valance is so good it's worth a second look, as are the bottom edges of the rockers. There are a couple of chips here at the right rear corner. The grille is super nice. There is a tiny paint run here. And these small chips in the driver's door. All of the keys and locks are fully functional. For more on this 1972 Alfa Romeo GTV, check out part 1 of the Walkaround video, the cold start and lighting video, and the drive video.